Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. First and foremost, I want to thank everybody that sent prayers, well wishes, and get well. Especially to Redneck Renegade, man. Always checking up on me. It makes me feel good that he checks up on me. And this, which you hardly get anymore, a postcard. And this is from Dream Creations and Adventures, Donna. Check it out. Beautiful penmanship. Thank you, Donna. I also have a few boxes to unbox. One from Fairytale Wizard, which I received many months ago. One from Old Man, and a recent one that I got from Dark Matter. Okay, folks, so I got my 3 boxes right here, package box. This one is from Fairytale Wizard, which I had like for at least 3 months. Old Man, DIY, Dark Matter. Yeah, I'm not drinking beer. I'm having some Arizona tea. And I'm out here in a beautiful place to get some fresh air, man. I've been home for too long. I don't even get in the backyard anymore. And it's a beautiful place right here. There's only another person over there. It's kind of windy. We have been having some very hot weather. But enough of that talking. Let's open my box. This one is from Fairytale Wizard. And according to the package, there's beer, camping stove, and wood craft tools. Let's do this. Very well packaged, Fairytale Wizard. Hell yeah, whoa! Whoa, this is pretty nice. Check it out, folks. Scottish shortbread cookies. Of course, this is just a container. Beautiful. I got some Chewits ones, fruity. All right, check this out. A little tool for like a little skew. Looks like a little skew. Yeah, I can work with that. What is this right here? Oh, seeds. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. It might be seeds from his fruit trees. Yep, that's what it is. Man, they still look okay. So I'll save those. Here it is. He said he was going to send me a beer. Well, it's a big one. There it is. All right, folks, check this one out. Fox Brewing, Denmark. Fox, I don't know how to pronounce that, but Foxy, maybe. Premium quality lager beer. 5% alcohol by volume. Folks, I haven't had a beer in quite a while because I've been on meds and I don't want to mess it up, you know what I mean? Even before that, I only drank on weekends when I felt like it, but not daily. So I have another one to open up on future videos. Thank you, Fairytale Wizard. Oh, this is some fuel. Yeah, I seen him use this on his stoves. And this, oh, this is the stove, yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, I see. I gotta look at his video. I seen where he uses this one. You pour the alcohol in here, and this is the stove. This is another stove right here. Here's the padding. You fill the alcohol in here, and boom, you got yourself a little stove. Cool beans. Alright, Fairytale Wizard, thank you very much. I will try this on videos. I would have tried this on videos, but I'm getting some dental work, so I don't want to eat nothing chewed. Alright folks, I'll leave a link in the description box to Fairytale Wizard. He's out there having some issues with his job. They want to get him tested for COVID and he's refusing to do that. But he also does gardening and makes nice stoves that actually work. Check him out. Now for old man, he said he was going to send me some wood way back, and here it is, folks. I had this for a while too. Let's do this. Oh yeah, folks. Oh yeah. It looks like some pretty wood. Check it out. It looks like, look at the grain on it. Once you cut it and shape it, check it out. This will, oh, birdside. Looks like birdside maple. It might be. Look at that, look at that, look at that grain right there. Beautiful. Yeah, I can see the birdside right there. Alright, old man, thank you very much. Remember, I'll leave a link to old man. He hardly does any videos. I did see him once in a live stream. It was way back. I forgot which live stream, but he doesn't do videos, but he's a great supporter of the community. Check him out. I'll leave a link in the description box to his channel also. Let me hand it out to my beautiful wife so she can put it away. And last but not least, one of my all-time favorite personalities from YouTube, DIY Dark Matter. Check out that book too. Oh yeah, folks. By the way, Dark Matter, my daughter is not here today. She's actually working today. But let's get to the unboxing. Check it out. His sticker, DIY Dark Matter. This is for Camera Girl, my daughter Darlene. Darlene used to film most of my videos way back, but now she has to work a lot. And this is for her. Check it out. Ooh. I am in a this area, pen over there. This area is Lido Creek, folks, just in case you're wondering. It's open. Not too many people today, which I like it. And here it is, folks. Check out this beautiful pan that you can refill. You use a big refill and you have a beautiful pan. Very nice turning, dark matter. I like it. Very smooth and beautiful. And this is for me. Whoa, check out my hexagon. Oh, okay. And here it is, folks. You see that? You don't have to, just in case you're bored. But this is one of my hexagon ferro rods with a nice stainless steel ring right here. Autograph right here, dark matter. Check out the wood turning, folks. Nathan 4071 hexagon ferro rod. Let me see the pen. This is actually very nice, man. I like it. And check out the pen that he did for my daughter. My daughter Darlene. Very beautiful, man. This is actually a lot of work. Alright, folks, I am very humbled that you guys send me gifts, and I do video of the product to show gratitude. That's the main thing, man, because it is very nice that you guys actually think highly of me. I appreciate everybody's gift, that's for sure. Alright, folks, hopefully I'm getting a little bit better. My legs still, sometimes I wake up with some very bad pain that all I want to do is sit or stand up, but I'll get better sooner or later. Thank you, Dark Matter. I'll leave a link to Dark Matter also so you can check them out. So remember, folks, check out Dream Creations and Adventures, Fairytale Wizard, he's out there in England, Old Man, and DIY Dark Matter. Another ferro rod from my collection. Alright, folks, thank you for your time, and see you guys in the next video.